Oh, you look like her? Go ahead, Mel. Sure. Try that pose. Yes.
These are hand painted?
I'm not sure.
Let's see.
And we're out here.
Yeah.
Yeah, looking at some artwork. Really nice. So yeah. Holiday weekend. Anyway, next. Oh, go ahead. So this is the artist that she's taking pictures with.
Back again, 2018. Hot as shit. Hot. I feel like last year was better. In terms of vibes.
But then again, we kind of got here super late, so maybe we missed the good stuff. But
not one to my God.
not one.
But stay tuned because I have more things to come.
Show me where you're representing. Show me where you're representing.
So guys, today's a bus. Completely
Today's just
bus.
not our day. First of all, you go first. Alright, we decided that we wanted to try something new. So, Korean restaurant was our pick. Bumbleclot. We go type in the Korean restaurant, get locked down. We go type in the Magnum restaurant, them close. Yet still, the lady shoving two white girls, make them go inside, go eat them ice cream, but we couldn't get no ice cream for them. Anyway, that is forgiven. We go to the sugar factory, the whole of the place pack up. We have to sit down at the bar. My body too flat and my bingo too big for me to sit down at bar, and my blouse short. So anyway, we decided that we wanted to walk down and go to the same bar we went to last year. The bar not go lock.
Yes.
The bar lock, and there was a restaurant beside it that we saw last year, and it was really cute and everything. So we go inside. First of all, me not understand one thing on the menu because me he's not no Italiano. And his attitude, the man want come give, we can get one bigger seat. Like, my guy, if you never want to work in customer service, why you want come like this?
Yeah, it was just, he got an attitude, and I looked at her and I said, I am not eating here, so no.
Right now, white collar attack we, and we don't even know where to go.
Yeah, so we hot, miserable, and we hungry.
And we thought we didn't want some liquor in our system, and the bar got locked down.
Yeah.
Why? What's going on this year for Labor Day? Is like it's a thing for everybody to just be closed, because last year was the shit.
Everywhere was open. We were hopping and skipping everywhere.
It was the shit last year, but this year the parade never good.
The parade is bad.
The parade was whack. I never even want to eat corn. People, it was so whack I never even wanted to eat. I love to eat. Parade whack. The Magnum store shut down, and I'm pretty sure we're just racist bitch by not letting us in.
Lord jeez.
But I'm not even.
I'm sorry, Mel is not playing today.
What the people that I'm not finna be getting finna in of that. And then
yeah, guys, she's unleashed her anger now. So now let's just get some drinks in our system from one place that's available right now,
which is the sugar factory.
Yeah.
So I have to go show my dirty butt crack to somebody sitting in bed. But it's alright, I them take it in now, them protect the crack. Them protect.
I'm done. Alright guys, we done. We done.
Damn, this lemon tastes like handsome. Yeah, it's fucking sour. No water. Water's for the weak.
You guys want to see the face?
As you can see, this night went down real fast because of all disappointment. We're done. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. She's drunk. Anyway, thanks for watching. And Labor Day weekend.